Automation is a necessity in today's economy. Automation enables us to solve large-scale problems quickly and focus on innovation to create better products and a richer experience for our customers and employees. Automation accelerates progress and gives us business agility and competitive edge. Automation is the future of work in the digital age. But information in enterprises remains divided, scattered across thousands of apps. As a result, our work is fragmented and our business processes are broken. There is a high volume of repetitive, multi-step tasks with many business rules and manual processes that we might seek to automate. But the tools you have are probably hard to use and need experts. This leaves us with a backlog of unfulfilled ideas and failed projects. It doesn't have to be this hard. Learn how you and your team can get your automation ideas from concept to production in hours. Use Workato to automate complex business processes like order to cash, employee onboarding, and lead management, and simple processes like approving expenses, requesting PTO, and many more. Be sure to tune in on Thursday, August 22nd at 11 a.m. Pacific to see how you can harness the power of automation in your business. Register today using the link in the description below.